Hello, to continue on frame 7, we're going to just spread out at the top. So in frame 7, our y is always going to be y plus 5. But before we get to that, we need to clear out our previous block. So I'm going to copy this, bring it down here, and turn the 246 to air, which is 0. All right. Now, instead of just doing one block per frame, we have 4 blocks. The side view is always at y plus 5, and we need to code these 4 blocks separately. So let's start with the first one, mc.setBlock. Now let's choose this one here on the bottom. The x is x plus 2, the z is z plus 1, and our y is y plus 5, like all of the y's in this. And so it's 246. Now let's move on to our next block, x plus 3. So we have x plus 3, y plus 5, and then z plus 2. And again, 246 for glowing obsidian. Our next block is x plus 2, z plus 3. Let's code that in. Z plus 3, and that's at 246. All right, now we have our last block at x plus 1, y plus 5, z plus 2. 246. All right, now let's check to see if this worked. So when I run this code, it should go up and then spread out one. That's looking pretty good. That's what I was hoping for. It comes out and it spreads. And it doesn't go away because we haven't coded to go away. So now we have to look at frame 8 where it goes out one more in each direction. So let's have a time.sleep at the end of this, but after we start up our frame. Here we go, time.sleep. Half a second. All right. Now we have to take our previous frame and turn all of these 246 back down to a 0 because we want to make those all disappear or turn to air. Now we need to code 4 more blocks that you see in front of you. You can see the y is still y plus 5, but they've spread out a little bit. So mc.setBlock, and we'll start at the bottom. That it's hiding it, but it's x plus 2, and the y is at y plus 5 again. Z is at just z, and we're at 246. Now our next block, once I can spell it correctly, here we go. That's going to be at x plus 4, y plus 5, and it's covering up the z plus 2, but you can see it's between z plus 1 and z plus 3, so hopefully you can understand that. And we have our top block, mc.setBlock. That's x plus 2, y plus 5, and z plus 4. And now our final block. Now our x is just x in this situation. mc.setBlock, I gotta spell it right. X, y plus 5, and just z plus 2. All right, now that we have this coded, let's take a look and see if it did what we hoped it would do. So let's add a time.sleep at the end. It's still not going to disappear, but we can see what happens. It's going to come up and then eventually spread out. Perfect. That's exactly what we were hoping for.